Ito muna, bago laman. Ito laman, oh. Oh, pagalitan tayo.
May the power. May the power better than me. The player ng Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Hi, Ernie Aon Baldos, Vice Governor of Cavite, Calabarzon, Region 8. This Regional Executive Meeting called order.
Our divine providence, we humble ourselves before you as we praise your holy name and feel your presence in our midst. We implore your divine guidance and blessing as we consciously gather in this occasion in pursuit and furtherance of the cherished goals and objectives of our beloved fraternity. We beseech our goal and objectives not only on this particular occasion, but also on the many of the times we're striving and endeavoring. Please, Almighty God, elevate our spirits and fortify our steps as we seek, keep, and edify our fraternity ever one and whole, and as we seek our Pilipinas.
Sa langit ng Ama, ay ilagang
Kailan pa tayo?
Martes. Bali, Monday, regional officer, saka Bacoor, sama sa ceremony ng 7 a.m. Bukas. Kailangan natin ng representative. Then, yung Bacoor, sila na rin yung mag-continue ng ang trabaho daw po natin doon ay magiging martial tayo. Tayo magkakasis sa face. Wilkins or stick? Stick.
Lahat ng doktor ko yung kuya, mga ano, galing Amerika. Galing US.
Ha?
Next.
Hindi ko siya ako saan mag-martial lang tayo. Kuya, may sinasabi to, dudugo raw pala yung ilong niya. Sabi ko kasi puro foreigner galing pang bansa, di ba?
Mga doktor.
Sabi ko hindi naman niya kakausapin yun eh, mag-martial lang doon.
I-assist naman natin yung mga tao.
Yung mga taong i-assist.
Pilipino naman. Pilipino sila.
Pilipino. Sa ano, sa City Jail, para ganyan lahat ang gupit.
Nilagyan mo lang ng baon.
Ayaw pumayag po yun. Ayaw pumayag po yung mga taga-Paracolon ng layo. May nakakain dito matay, gusto nyo kagbo.
Ang kaya lang ni Kuya Paul na doon eh. Beke ito ngayon lang.
Take a break. Kasar na lang naman to eh. Sasaka. Madumi na yan.
Sabi ko sa iyo, Kuya Chris.
Sabi ka nito. Sabi ko.
You know.
Hi, Ernie Altos, Vice Governor of Cavite Calabarzon, Region 8. By the power vested on me by the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, in the exigency of service, Eagle Joshua Murao is hereby designated as officer in charge of the City of Manila, Matikas Eagles Club. In view of the request of Eagle Senador El San Antonio Jr. to temporarily step down of the position as president of the said club, he shall be the chief executive of the said club and shall exercise all powers and duties pursuant to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Incorporated, Magna Carta. Further, it shall be his duty to preside at all meetings and perform such other duties pertains to the club. This order shall take effect immediately and shall remain in force unless revoked or amended. Now, we welcome our Kuya Eagle Joshua Murao as a new president of Manila Matikas Eagles Club. Yes, congratulations, Kuya.
Congrats, Kuya. Kuya. Hindi na ako pumunta talaga. Mali ba yung bantong mo?
Kiss! Kiss! Kiss!
Governor of Calabarzon, Cavite, Region 8. This regional... Ay, Kuya. Magsalita mo na siya.
Sabi siya sabihin eh.
Sige na, okay na.
Okay na yun.
This Rexicom,
Sana na lang, sa GMM na lang.
okay, is adjourned.
Makalimutan mo.
Ganun na lang. Kabayan nila kami ng ano, budget ng tao. Ang Lunes kasi Bacoor ang papapel.
Pero yung pinitin ako na, no?
Ang Martes tayo. Merkules,
Saan ka ba yung